Welcome to the Marriott Marquis San Diego Marina. Located in the heart of San Diego Marina, it's walking distance to a variety of tourist attractions in the city. Each room features impressive views of the city or the beautiful San Diego waterfront. This spacious, open lobby welcomes all guests as they enter. The resort has two towers, the North and South Towers. Let's make our way to our room on the South Tower. We are at the Marriott Marquis in San Diego, and let's take a look at our king room with bay view, room 1543. So as soon as you enter, closet's on the left side. There's the closet, and it has the safe in here, the ironing board, an iron, and some extra pillows and blankets. Here is the single sink bathroom, shower. These showers look like they've just been refurbished, or this whole bathroom, so it looks nice and clean. And there's the toilet. A little area to store your luggage. Here's the TV, and there is a fridge in here. And let's slide this out. It has your coffee and tea. And a small office desk if you need to do anything when you work on your computer. Here is the king size bed, and it has some outlets beside it for convenience. A little sitting area with this small table if you want to read some magazines or have a little snack. And the best part about this room is this view we have of the bay. So check that out. Nice and sunny today in San Diego. And we also have a view of the pool area. So they have a nice pool area, which we'll check out later. And that is a quick tour of our room here at the Marriott Marquis in San Diego. I really enjoyed just looking outside our window and watching various ships passing by like this huge vehicle carrier. But the best part was watching the spectacular sunset. Marina Kitchen and Bar is an award-winning restaurant serving comfort food and features creative takes on American favorites. It's open for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. We stopped by for lunch and ordered the shrimp wrap and Cajun fish sandwich. The food tasted great with good portions. Looking for a quick bite? Stop by Exchange, which serves breakfast, lunch, dinner, and provides grab-and-go snacks. Tequila Bar Grill is the hotel's poolside restaurant serving Baja California-inspired dishes. It's open for lunch and dinner. Bayside Lounge, featuring Topgolf Swing Suite, is the perfect spot to eat, drink, and play games while taking in breathtaking views of the marina. Enjoy spectacular sunsets and fine dining at Roy's Hawaiian Fusion. The restaurant serves signature Hawaiian fusion dishes inspired by local flavors. For you Starbucks lovers, I'm happy to report that the hotel has one. However, it's only open from 5:30 a.m. to 2 p.m. Sip on your coffee while watching various sporting events at this lounge area just in front of Starbucks. As Marriott Platinum Elites, we had access to the M Club Lounge. However, there was something wrong with their system. We couldn't get in even after they reprogrammed our keycard 3 times. This was the most disappointing part of our stay. In the evening, the door was actually open, so I was able to get in and check it out. The lounge has plenty of seating and looked like a great place to relax while having some snacks and drinks. There was wine for purchase and complimentary drinks and snacks. If you forgot something at home, no need to worry as there's a large gift shop by the lobby. It's well stocked with any essentials you need, as well as snacks and drinks. The best part of the hotel is the beautiful pool area, which has a relaxing tropical feel. Take in the San Diego sun at the grand pool deck, which has 2 swimming pools and 2 hot tubs. Daybeds are available for reservation. I was very impressed by the large fitness center located on the first floor. It's open 24 hours and features modern fitness equipment, free weights, and a very nice cycling and yoga room. The Hideway Spa is appropriately named since we had a difficult time finding it. It can only be accessed by this elevator on the North Tower. Check it out if you want a relaxing massage or treatment. We had a good stay at the Marriott Marquis. The hotel is well maintained, and our room, even though it was small, had a great view of the marina. The location made it easy for us to explore downtown without having to drive around. Our stay would have been better if the staff was able to resolve the M Club lounge access issue, but we wouldn't hesitate to stay here again. If you enjoyed this video, please give us a like and subscribe to our channel. Leave any questions in the comments section below. Thank you for watching and check out our other videos.